Leica is back with the Q2, which retains the compact design and overall appearance of the original, but with some significant improvements in performance. The main feature of the Q2 is its new sensor, which has the same full-frame size as before, but comes with an increase of 47.3 megapixels of resolution over the 24 megapixels of the original. That puts Q2 in line with some of the high-resolution cameras from Sony, Nikon and Canon that have been released since the release of the original, and even have them at a distance from the medium-format cameras of Fujifilm, Pentax and Hasselblad. The new sensor also comes with an improved processor, which allows a slightly expanded ISO range of 50 to 50,000, 4K video recording at 24 and 30 frames per second, and 1080p video at up to 120 frames per second, while maintaining the fast answer, continuous shooting and autofocus of the original. The Q2 also uses Bluetooth LE and Wi-Fi to connect to a phone to transfer images. There are no ports for USB, HDMI or any other output on the body of the camera. The Q2 has the same optically stabilized 28mm f/1.7 lens as before, but the higher resolution of the new sensor offers more clipping flexibility after the fact. Leica has added a new 75mm digital frame cutout, in addition to the 35mm and 50mm options that were available in the Q. Even with the 75mm cutout, which discards much of the information captured by the sensor, the Q2 can still offer a 7-megapixel image,